Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete a task on the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Log in by using your Touch ID or passcode that you have set. And now click on the calendar icon down below, which is the second option, and tap on the relevant task that you want to get rid of. All you have to do is tapping on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen and click on the delete option at the top of this section, which is the last option. So now, as you can see, the relevant task has been removed from your daily schedule. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.